Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, oh shit, no. So today I'm gonna teach you guys the basics of trading. So yesterday I told you guys I will teach you guys today the basics of trading, like what is candlestick, how does a trend create and stuff. So first, we'll I will teach, we'll study about candlestick. So for an example, I'm taking forex pair USD euro. I'm taking this pair right here, USD euro dollars, or you can call euro USD. Anyway you want, any, like, let's say. So as you can see, this is a market consists of a green candle and a red candle. So basically we call it a candlestick. So it would be like this, like one candlestick, and I'll fill it green, and second candlestick, okay, and the red color here. This will do the trick, and I'm gonna color this one and this line to a green line. Okay, so this is a green candle, like it's an example, so please bear with me. And this is a red candle. So in a green candle, the opening is right here, and closing is right here. And this line, the outside line, is called a wick. And for an example, so as you can see in this example, it's, in the middle. So they, like, the fork goes like this. The buyers and sellers, just imagine you're doing a tug of war, and one guy, oh, one guy said, I am here. No, we are here, and other guys are here, and we are doing a tug of war. Basically, that happens. Like, and uh, next, when I talk about the red candlestick, you will understand what I mean by that. So the close in a red candlestick is down here. The open would be up here. So I'll show you how it works. So basically, as you can see, uh, here you go. This is the open. It opened and closed. Here at the green candle opened and closed. After that, opened and closed. After that, opened and closed. Like, I will show you a bit more sold. Or another example. This one here, this candle, it opened and closed, and the other one is a green candle, and it opened and closed. So what I'm about to say that is that it is type of fork logos like this. Like the wick shows the higher high and lower high of a candle. So whenever this body is somewhere near this type of shit, this type of area, the trend would be uptrend, and if the red candle is closest to this area, it would be a downtrend. So basically, the logo's like that. So it's like that, okay? And imagine it's like a tug of war. And when I tell you how it changes color, so it opened here, right? The green candle opened here, right? So after that, like imagine the price is going boom 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 boom, and if it goes down and closes here, it becomes a red candle. Like it passed through the green candle, no, green candle's previous open, and it crossed and closed down. So that means it's a red candle. It will form a red candle. Like you can really see it. Just open the charts and you'll see it. I'm sure of it. You guys will see it. And I'll color it red. And as you can see, it would change like this. And this one, imagine this goes like the open would be at the top, at the bottom, and the close would be at the top. And this one changes to a green candle. That means it shows an uptrend. So like that. This is the basics about candles. This is a wick in a red candle. The open is the topmost layer of that body, and close would be the bottom part. The the opposite would be the green candle. Okay, and let's see how this candle mix up together and forms a trend. And you can see here we have a trend. Like I will draw it for you to make it simple. Like as you can see, we can take this and this is assume the candles are formed like, oh shoot, where is the thing? Oh, I threw there. Okay, so an uptrend forms like this: a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher blah 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 blah. And the downtrend would be lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So as you can see right here, it's higher high, higher low, 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 higher high, H H H L H H H L. Like you can call it anyways, but you need the correct ideology about it. Like the people who sits around you need to understand what I and you guys mean when you say that. So an uptrend consists of higher highs and higher lows. A downtrend consists of lower highs and lower lows. So I think you understood that thing. Like I will draw it again. I will draw it and show you guys again. So it would be like this: higher high, the uptrend or bullish movement would be higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And the downtrend would be lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, you guys got it right. So this would be like that. And from this trend, like this type of trend, we can assume some reversals and any type of reversals. Like as you can see, we had a reversal right here, but it didn't quite go down, but it really reversed up. And here at the end, as you can see, it got reversed. So basically a trend in a market, a trend basically is a reversal. Like as you can see right here, let me take an example for you guys so it would be easy, like to understand this. Okay, as you can see, yeah, okay, this would do the trick. So as you can see, it's an uptrend right here, and it's going consolidating. Consolidating means it's sideways. It doesn't have any big moves like this one. So this means it's consolidating. It has a potential support and resistance. and it's going okay, blah blah blah. And as you can see, it made a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Sorry, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. It's having a completely new reversal. So basically, it's a reversal game when you talk about trend. But if you need to learn it in depth, the next class would be it. So here in so much trend, we can assume there's liquidities. Liquidity means there's a potential, how do I say, attraction. We call, like, in a simple way to say, if you say it in a simple way, you can say it's an attraction between some trends. So I will explain it in the next video. So let's jump right into the next thing, and that would be you know that would be strategies. Like, as you can see a blue line and orange line and this thing. So basically it's just indicators that explain the trend or even potential volumes in a specific area. So that's it. Like, the basics are like this. In the future I will teach you guys some ICT trading strategies, and there's so many more trading strategies like Wyckoff and stocks. There's so much more, but you guys need to know the basics. So here, as you can see, I will tell you again. The open would be the uppermost layer of the body in a red candle, and the close would be down. And in the green candle, the open would be down, close would be up. And in an uptrend or bullish, it creates a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low type movement. And in downtrend or bearish movement, we will have lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low type of movement. So it creates a trend. So these are the basics of trading. You guys need to know basics of trading. So this video is just learning basics. Like, we learn two basics fastly. If you don't understand, and if I made mistakes, you can comment on my channel. Like, no, oh my god, I'm stuttering so much, man. You can comment and say it, what's the problem. And if you don't understand, you can say it again. I can really make another video about it, like fully explain. Now here it's nighttime, so I need to sleep. So, and this is the basic fundamental things you need to know about trading. Where's the open and close of a red candle, where's the open and close of a green candle, and how a trend forms, and what is higher high, higher lows. Higher high is the topmost of the trend, higher low is the lowermost of the trend, and it would go up, and it will form an uptrend. And the downtrend would be the quite opposite. Like, lower high would be the most upper part, and lower low would be the most down part, and the mix of it would create a downtrend. So these two are the basic things you need to know about trading. So let's sign out. Peace out. Yeah, let's peace out. You can comment if you have any questions about trading, like this one in this topic. If you didn't understand anything, you can comment, and I will make another video, and I will explain it to you fully. Like, it's just a simple explanation, like 17 minutes or 16 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay, so it's a fast video. So if you don't understand, just comment. I will make another video. So I'm signing out. Bye.